To draw any straight line يا فريدة, we must have 2 points. تمام. Now we check that the y-intercept here is 4.
4.
We have to determine another point to join it with 4 to draw the straight line. How we
Yeah.
can determine it?
So,
The negative
you
3, it's over 1. This is the slope. And this is what? Rise. And this is run. This means that rise over run. Rise over run, okay? The rise
يعني
here is negative 3. يعني معناها إيه؟ يعني أنا هعمل count down 3 units down the 4.
yeah. So
Count down
you
1, 2,
2,
and
3.
3. Okay?
So it's gonna be on the 1
And
on
move
the
1 to the right because the 1 is
yeah,
positive.
1 to the right.
So the second point is here. It's called
Yeah.
rise over run. Okay? طب
And
أنا
then
ليه
you
عملت
go
come down, count down? Because the rise here or the number is negative. Okay?
yeah, so it's on the opposite side. So then you go down 1
Very good. So the straight
and
line is this line that passes through the point 1 and 1 and 0 and 4. Okay?
yeah.
This is how we can graph the straight line from a given equation by using the y-intercept and
First, you line out the y-intercept and then you find the gradient.
very good, the gradient. Okay? You understand it?
Yes.
Okay. Another one. 2x minus y equals 3. We have to draw the straight line which represents this equation. How we can do it?
Same way.
Okay? Explain it to me.
A big X. Big like a plus.
Big plus. This is called the big plus. It's xy coordinate plane or square net.
Okay.
Coordinate plane or square net. X-axis, y-axis coordinate. And the intersection point here is called the origin point. Yes. Explain how we can draw the straight line which represents the given equation.
So the y-intercept is 3.
Yeah.
So 3 on
Are you
the
sure
y
that the
line.
y-intercept is 3?
No, it's y.
Before you starting to determine the slope or the gradient, you have to check that your equation in the form of y equals mx plus c. If it is not in this form, you have to make anything to put it in this form.
Okay.
Hmm.
So you put the y on the opposite side.
Mhm.
So it's gonna be y equal
Hmm.
2x
Hmm.
plus 3.
No. When you put y from negative to the right side, it will be positive. But here we have 3. So we have to change the place of 3 to get it with x to the left side. So it will move to the left side by
Mine,
negative sign.
mine
Okay?
negative 3.
It's negative 3. Okay? So,
Then you put the point on negative 3 on the y
okay.
side, and then you count up to 2.
Very good.
So
Up to, because 2 over 1. This is rise over run. 1
then it's going
and
2.
2.
So on the
On the right or to the
right.
left? To the right, 1 step. So the second point is here. Very good.
But isn't it negative?
No,
So it's supposed to be the opposite side.
no, 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 no. This is the slope. It's
How do
positive
you
and
know?
this is positive.
How do you know? How do you know? Do you know when it's supposed to be the gradient is if the gradient's positive, then it's on the
On the right.
wrong
On the
side,
right.
on the
Yes.
right, and if
Yes.
it's negative, it's on the left.
Very good.
Okay.
Okay. We move up 2 units. 1, 2, and move right 1 unit. It's 1. So the second point is here. So the line will be like this.
You
Okay.
keep on going up the point until you find
Good.
finish, right?
Good. What about if the slope y equals negative 2x plus 3?
Same thing, but the 3 goes up on
Up.
the y-intercept,
Mm.
and you count to the right. So
Negative
it's
2 by
gonna
1.
be
You will
it's
count
gonna be
down
1
or up?
down. So
Down.
1,
1, 2. This is come down to units. And what about this
y-
one?
1 to the right, so it's
1 to the
1.
right. So the
And
slope
then
here
drop down.
and join it. Okay. This is a straight line. Right. The last thing, what about the relation between any two parallel straight line? If we have two straight line parallel, what about the relation between them?
It's gonna be equal
Equal in what?
gradient.
In the gradient, very good. What about if they are perpendicular?
It's gonna be perpendicular. It would be like the biggest number,
No.
or like
E-
equal
Example,
into
example,
the.
2x, or sorry, y equals 2x plus 3. This is line 1, and y equals 2x minus 2. This is line number 2. These two
It will
lines
equal the same thing.
intersecting or parallel or perpendicular or coincide. Did you know what's the meaning of coincide? And they will appear as one line. Okay. Which one these two lines represent?
The first one.
The first one intersecting
Parallel.
only.
Parallel.
It's parallel. Very good. Why they are parallel?
Because the gradient is the same.
The gradient is the same and the y also the same, but they are different in what?
The x,
The
the y-intercept.
y-intercept. Very good. But what about if this one is y equal to x plus 3 and the second one is y equals negative half x plus 2?
It will be this, yeah, the one you're pressing on.
Ah,
Perpendicular.
perpendicular. Did you know why? Because the product of their gradient is negative 1. 2, this is a gradient of the first one, m1 by m2 is equal to negative 1. m1 is 2 by m2 is negative 1 over 2. This is give you what? Negative 1. This means that the two lines are a
مش فاهمة
perpendicular.
يعني ايه
تاني
اللي
حبيبتي،
انت عامله
احنا
ده.
عندنا relation ما بين التو لاينز بتبقى حاجة من ثلاثة، يا إما بيكونوا intersecting، يا إما بيكونوا parallel، يا إما بيكونوا perpendicular، يا إما بيكونوا coincide. عندنا 4 cases. أوكي. طب أنا
Okay.
بعرفهم إزاي يا مستر؟ ده بنقول عليه system of equation. يعني في الحالة دي مش هيبقى عندك just one equation, you have two equations. You have two equations. Number one 2x مثلا plus 3y equals مثلا 6. Okay, this is the first line. And the second one, 2x or 4x plus 6y equals 12. What is the relation between these two lines؟ ايه العلاقة ما بين التو لاينز دول؟ هل هما intersecting ولا parallel ولا coincide؟
Um, they are the first one
No. بص يا حبيبي،
or the last
عشان
one.
اقدر احدد الريليشن ما بين التو لاينز لازم اتاكد ان التو equations in the simplest form.
So it's
The
you
first one
have
in the simplest form or not?
no,
Why no?
because it's not in the right,
Did you have any
like,
common factor between x and y and the absolute term?
yeah,
What is the common factor between them?
3.
That 2 can be divisible by 3.
No, uh, 2 can be divisible. I'm saying like 6 divided by 3 is 2
Okay,
and
what
2.
about the last one? There is no common factor between 2, 3, and 6. Okay, because
Okay.
6 can be divisible by 3 and by 2, but 2 cannot be divisible by 3, or 3 cannot be divisible by 2. But
Yeah,
in the second one, we have 4,
it
6, and
can be.
12. All of them in table what?
They have the same, they can be divided by each other.
Very good. They can be divided all the numbers by A.
So 6 can be divided by 4 and 4 can be divided by 6 and
Okay, what is
4
the common
uh,
factor between 4, 6, and 12?
2.
2. So all the equation can be divisible by 2 to put it in the simplest form. When we divide
Yeah,
this one by 2, it will be what?
2x plus 3y equal 6.
It becomes what?
The same, so it's
The same
parallel.
equation. So they are the third case. It's coincide. Okay.
Oh, close sides.
Okay.
Yeah.
What about this 4? The first one, 2x plus 3y equals 6. The second one, 2x plus 3y is equal to 4. The two equations in the simplest form, 2, 3, and 6, there is no common. 2, 3, and 4, there is no common between them. So both of the two equations in the simplest form, okay?
Yeah.
Both of them in the simplest form. So what about the gradient here? It's a negative 2 over 3. And also here, it's a negative 2 over 3. This means that the two gradient in the two equations, M1, it's like M2 is equal to negative 2 over 3. Yani they have the same slope. They have the same slope or the same gradient. But they are different in what? In the absolute term. In this case, the two lines are
Or parallel.
parallel. في الحالة دي يكون two lines parallel. يبقى الشرط اللي عندي يا دكتورة فريدة to say that the two lines are parallel when they have the same gradient or the same slope. تمام؟
Okay.
Okay. What about the last case?
I still don't get how you got minus 2 over 3.
What?
I don't get how you got minus 2 over 3.
This is a rule. I said the slope it's for this equation ax plus by, okay, plus c is equal to 0. As I said in the first session, when we want to get the gradient, it's a negative a over b.
Okay.
This is a rule. And if we want to get the y-intercept, it's a negative c over b. Okay?
Okay.
So this equation in the form of ax plus by, but c in the right side. So we haven't to get C. I want to get the slope. It's a negative A over B. It means
Okay.
negative 2 over 3.
Okay.
Okay?
Yeah.
What about this? Hmm. What is the relation between these two lines? We have to get the slope. The first one is what?
2 minus.
Hmm?
So minus 2. No, yeah, minus 2 over 1, 2, 3.
The second one, M2.
Minus, so 1 over 3, minus 1 over 3.
How we can get the slope يا فريدة? A over B. A over B. Negative A over B. Negative A over B means a negative 2
Oh,
over negative 1 over 3.
how is that even possible?
How we can do it? You can write it in this form. Negative 2 divided negative 1 over 3. Negative 2 divided negative 1 over 3.
Okay.
How we can do this?
You changed it to multiplication.
Very good. So it will be negative 2 multiplying by
3 over 1 minus
minus 3. Huh?
is, okay, and then minus 2 times minus 3,
It's
which is 6.
6. Very good. So they are
Okay,
different in the slope or not? The slope here is 6. The slope here is what?
minus 2 over 3.
So the two lines are
They are the first one on
intersecting.
yeah, intersecting.
Okay. تمام يا دكتور؟
Wait, what's intersecting? Like the first one, right?
Intersecting يعني they are intersect at one point. When
Yeah,
we
so it's the first one.
It is the first one. Very good.
Okay.
What about if the slope of the first one is negative 2 over 3 and the slope of the second one is 3 over 2?
3 over 2.
What is the relation between negative 2 over 3 and 3 over 2? When we
They're
multiply them together, give you what?
Ones will give you minus 6
Minus 6 over
over
what?
6. Minus 6 over 6
Over 6. Very good. So it will be what?
minus 1.
Minus 1. This case, it's a special case for the intersecting. The intersecting here, it means this acute is obtuse and this is acute, obtuse, acute. But when we multiply the slope and give you negative 1, this means that
It
they
will
are
be
intersecting,
the
but the angle between them is right. Okay?
yeah.
So in this case, they are called what? That L1, the first line, is perpendicular to the second line, that L2. يبقى امتى بنقول ان two lines perpendicular when the product of their slope is negative 1. يعني
Okay.
هما already intersect، بس الفرق ما بين intersect و perpendicular ان في الانترسكت العادي بتبقى الانجلز acute و obtuse، لكن في البربنديكولار the four angles at the intersection point must be right، يعني كلهم يبقوا
Okay.
90 degree. خلاص حبيبي؟
Okay. Yeah.
تمام. This is the four cases of the two lines together on the same graph.
ماشي.
Read يا فريدة this exercise what he wants from you. بيقول ايه بابا؟
Draw the graph x plus 2y equals 8. Find where the line across the axis.
Okay. First, before we starting graph this line, we have to determine which form we have to put this equation in. يا ترى أنا محتاج أخلي الإيكويشن دي على شكل ax plus by equal c، ولا عايزة تخليها على شكل y بس equals mx plus c؟ لازم تحددي التارجت بتاعك، أنت عايزة تخليها بالشكل ده ولا بالشكل ده؟
الشكل التاني
اوكي.
y equals mx plus c.
That's very good. The second form. اوكي. طب انا دلوقتي عندي الايكويشن x plus 2y equal 8. ده معناه ايه الشكل التاني ده؟ ان انا محتاج اخلي الواي دي لوحدها. طب يا عم انا عندي هنا 2y، اعمل ايه؟ خلاص سيبها زي ما هي دلوقتي. اوكي. فانا هخلي 2y لوحدها في سايد. طب مين اللي معاها يا دكتوره فريده؟ تقول لي يا مستر معاها x. يبقى الاكس بس اللي
yeah.
محتاج ان انا اعمل لها ريموف لمين؟ للرايت سايد يا حبيبتي. اوكي.
ماشي.
It will move to the right side by a.
يبقى هتبقى x.
يا فريدة أنا بسألك سؤال بسيط جدا جدا حبيبي. دلوقتي أنا
ماشي.
معايا we have a x plus 2y
x.
equals 8. Just
yes.
we leave 2y to the left side. We have to remove
yeah.
the x to the right side. When we
yeah.
move x from the left to the right, what we have to do for the sign of the x?
plus
No,
um
it's a change, it's a sign. Here x, it's a positive. It's moved to the
to
right by
negative
its additive inverse. It will be negative, okay? طب يا
8
ترى it's
1
better for you to write 8 minus 1x or minus
8 minus
1x
x.
plus 8? Which is better؟
تاني واحد.
تاني واحد، عشان انا اخلي الاكس كفيرست تيرم والواي كسكند تيرم. اوكي.
اوكي.
طيب حلو قوي قوي. يبقى احنا دلوقتي خلاص اتفقنا ان x remove to the right by negative 1x and this is positive 8. But the condition here that the coefficient of y must be a 1. But here we have
yeah.
a
2.
so
So
we
you
have
divide
to
it by
change
2.
by itself for all the terms of the equation.
yeah.
So this is will be y
y
equals
equals
negative 1 over 2 x. This is a gradient, okay? Plus
yeah.
4. Okay,
yeah.
good. From the graph بيقول لي ايه؟ Find where the line cross the x-axis. يعني ايه cross the x-axis؟ يعني حضرتك when we have the x-axis here and you want to draw the line which represent this equation اللي هو ده دلوقتي already خلاص.
ماشي. انا ممكن اعملها.
اها.
اوكي. لا انا مش عايزة اقرا. اوكي. yeah. كده بعدين تبقى 1.
مم. اكتب لك انا عشان الخط بس.
ايوه.
اوكي. انا شايف ان انت بتعاني من الكتاب. 3 4 5 6.
بعدين you mark where the y is so it's here.
مم. Very good.
بعدين
مم.
you you count it down
Down one
so
step.
1 2
No. The rise
1 and a
here,
half.
it's just 1 unit down. 1
yeah.
unit down. And move to the right. To the right, how many units?
1 2 times
2
1
units.
2
1,
so it's
2.
here.
So it will be here.
yeah.
So the point will be what?
The point would be like that and then you draw a line like that.
2 and 3. 2 and 3. Okay. When you graph this line, it's intersect with x-axis at E.
4. صح.
Plus, here it's 4. بس طبعا المشكله في حاجه بقى يا دكتوره، ان انا عشان اوريدي انا عامل الجراف ده بايدي، مش اكزاكتلي جراف، اوكي؟ الرسمه دي مش مظبوطه. تقول لي ايه ده؟ ايه ده يا مستر؟ ازاي عرفت الكلام ده؟ اه، ما انا اصل انا عارف رول عشان اقدر اجيب انترسكشن بوينت مع ها cross x axis. This mean that ايه؟ all the point on x axis يا دكتوره فريده it's a number for x and 0 for y. يعني البوينت دي لما اجي اكتبها على شكل اوردر بير تبقى ايه؟ 1 0 and this 2 0 and this 3 0 and so on. Okay? So when we want to get the intersection point with x-axis in any equation, just put y equal 0. Okay. To get intersection point مع مين? Across x-axis. To get the intersection point with x-axis. This means that a
Yeah.
y, it's 0.
Y is 0 and
So x
it's
will be what? 8.
1
X
or
equals
8.
what? 8 على طول direct. The
Oh,
equation becomes x equal 8. So the intersection
yes.
point with x-axis, it's 8 and 0. So we can determine
Yeah.
that this is 2, this is 4, this is 6, and this is 8, and this is 10. So it's intersect at 8 and 0. Okay?
Yeah.
يبقى how we can get the intersection point with x-axis, put y equal 0. طب how we can get the intersection point with y-axis؟ يعني لو جالي كده وقال لي find where the line cross x-axis، وممكن يطلب مني كمان ايه؟ find where the line cross
The Y
مين؟
axis.
ها؟ Very good.
Y.
Y-axis. At
تعمل
y-axis, all the point is a. ها? Which one is
U
0?
X.
X, it's 0. Very good.
So then it's gonna be 2.
Very good. So
Y
x
equals 2.
plus 2y equals 8. To get the intersection point with the y-axis, put x equals 0. So we have to, instead of x, by 0. 0 plus 2y, it's 2y. So the 2y is equal to 8. How we can get the y only? We have to divide this by 8.
8. So Y equals 4.
xy equals 4, like what we put it here in the graph.
Okay.
Okay? يبقى
Yeah.
احنا اتعلمنا طريقتين دلوقتي. To get the cross point with x-axis, put y equal 0. To get the cross point with y-axis, put x equal 0. Okay?
Okay.
Right, very good. This question, read it.
Find where each graph crosses the axes and draw the graph.
Mhm.
Nice. So, you need to find it to be, you need to find it to be y equal mx plus c.
ممكن raise your voice وانا اكتب اللي انت بتقوليه عشان هو الخط مش واضح عندي خالص. Okay?
y
Yes.
equals x
mx plus c. Okay.
mx plus c.
Good.
فتعمل تحط الواي
Yeah.
عادي على السايد
Mm.
و equal تودي ال 2x the other side
Good.
يبقى negative.
Excellent. Mm.
So then it's minus 6
No, why minus 6 يا فريدة؟
plus.
Yes, the 6 here, it's positive يا بابا، وانا ما جيتش عند
اه
6
صح.
خالص. انت you
اه
just change the place of 2x from the left to the right. So
okay. So
you will
plus
change the
6.
sign of x only and leave the sign of the 6 as it is.
Yeah, and then you draw your
Okay, this is the equation of the line. How we can
yeah,
get the cross point with x-axis?
you draw the
From the given
graph.
equation, 2x plus y is equal to 6. How we can get the intersection point with x-axis? I said with x-axis,
Oh,
what we
صح.
have to put
Yeah.
y
So
or x equal 0? Huh?
you forget the y,
The y is 0.
it's
Very good.
0, and then 2x equal 6.
Good.
6 divided by 2, so the x equals 3.
The x equals 3. Very good. Very good. So the cross point with the given x-axis, it's 3 and 0. And you can graph it or not?
Yeah, you can.
Okay, because you have the y-intercept. The y-intercept here, or the intersection point with y-axis is A.
It's 0, x is 0,
Very good. And
6.
good. So we have 2 points. When you plot the 2 points on the graph directly, you can draw the straight line. Now we have 2 points. The first one is 3 and 0 here. 3 and 0, and sorry, 3 and 0 with x-axis. And the second one, 0 and 6 on the y-axis. So the line is like this. It's finished. Okay?
Yeah.
Nice, very good. What about number 2? Yes.
You do y equals mx plus c.
Nice. And we
Then
have the equation 3x plus 2y is equal to 12. Yes.
then you add the 2y on the sides,
Okay.
and then you move the 3 to the other side. So negative. So 12 minus 3x plus 12.
Excellent.
And you want the y to be by itself, so you
1
divide 2 by
good
2
over
and
2.
divide all of them by 2.
Good.
So minus 3 divided by 2 would be minus
Minus 3
3.
over 2 because there is no common factor between the 3 and the
Yeah.
2.
X
Minus 3 over
plus
2x plus
6.
plus 6. Very good. So the cross point with y-axis is A and x-axis is what?
For y-axis, the x is 0
Good.
and the y is 6.
Good.
And for the x-axis, the y is 0
Very good.
and
The y is
the
0. Remove the term of y from the equation. So
the x is
3x.
4.
Very good. It's a 12. So the x is 4. So you have 2 points, 0 and 6, and 4 and 0. You can draw the line or graph the line which represented this equation. Okay?
Okay.
Excellent, Farida. You have 1 minute. Take it at the rest, and we will join again in the same link. Okay?
Okay.